How to change currency on Temu app. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. If you're wondering how you can change the currency on your Temu app, it takes a couple of steps. Start off by launching your Temu application in your mobile device. In here, make sure that your Temu app is up to date and you are signed in into your Temu account. To change the currency on your Temu app, tap on the U icon. From here, you need to head over to Settings. In your settings, in the list of options, you will see Currency right below Language. Select on the currency. Over here, as you can see, it is currently on USD dollar. So if you wish to change the currency, firstly, you need to change the language. For that, tap on the language and select on any of the preferred language from here. After which, give your app a refresh. Once you see the language change in your app, tap on the U icon once again, head on the Settings button and tap on the currency. Over here, you must have a couple of options displayed right over here. If for some reason the currency is not popped up over here, there might be some glitch or the bug issue, for which you need to follow up this next step. Press and hold onto your Temu app and head on to App Info. Start off by force stopping it, then head on to Storage and Cache and clear it up. This is to force update our Temu application. After this, you must find couple of currency options to choose. And we have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.